Hi friends, I will show you in this clip how I make 3D printed visit cards or business cards.
Hello my friends, this is 3D Shamrock channel and my name is Florin.
First of all, we need to design them in a parametric CAD program. I use SolidWorks for makers, but the workflow is the same in Fusion 360. I design first the blank card, a rectangle with the dimensions of 85 by 55 millimeters and 0.8 mm thickness. I rounded the corners also. Then I designed the text and eventually the logo I wish on the card. I cut the respective shape into the card by 0.2 millimeters. Then I fill out the cut with a new body with the same shape as the cut. That means I create a multi-body part. Then, for the 3D printing, I save the file in 3MF format, not in STL. Now we have to work in Bambu Slicer. We import the 3MF file, and we have to add the desired colors to the text and logo. So from the slicer, we choose color painting, then fill option. In my case, I will choose green color for the shamrock leaf, then gold, yellow and white for the text. Then we should lay down the card on the print bed with the text on the bottom. In this way, we get on the face of the card the texture of the print bed, which looks cool. I printed the card using clear filament. I think it looks nice. I made several cards on black background or with a color in the back of the clear card. I used different font types and sizes as an experiment, because not all the fonts or sizes could be handled by the printer. Some lines could not be visible because they are too thin to be printed. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Happy 3D printing, friends!